If you're still using social trader tools or Duplicium, this is what you look like. How many features have these companies added over the last few years? How knowledgeable are the support staff? How consistent is the copier? I don't know about you guys, but I only use these platforms out of necessity, because at the time there was no better alternative. And I'll tell you, managing a dozen trading accounts without a copier, not easy. There has been no competition in this space, which has allowed these companies to become complacent. At the start of the year, Traders Connect launched, and I was one of the first people to join. And since then, I've noticed social trader tools and Duplicium lagging far behind. Today, I'm going to tell you why my trade copier is better than yours. I'm going to put a link to Traders Connect in the description. You'd be silly not to check it out. This platform was pretty much made for prop firm traders. Not long ago, they introduced a trade delay feature, which allows you to delay your trade by a custom amount of milliseconds. This basically allows you to switch up your entry price between your accounts to make your trade a little bit unique, because some trade copiers don't like it when you're taking identical entries as someone else. You can also set a custom placed type to make it look like your trade has been placed manually. You can make it look like it's been placed from an EA or from another device. There's loads of different custom place types. You can even enter a custom comment to make your trade look even more unique. Further, they're actually really close to introducing their dedicated environment. So this will allow you to upgrade to your own custom IP and computer ID directly within the platform, because some prop firms don't like you having multiple IPs for some reason. I think this feature is going to be really big, and you'll definitely be hearing more about it in the future. I think Traders Connect's dashboard is one of the most recognizable pages on the platform. It's really cool to be able to see your portfolio value in the top left, and you can see all your accounts and all your positions, and you can see the values updating in real time. I've got two words: equity protection. So many people want this on their trade copier. They don't even realize they want it on their trade copier, and Traders Connect implemented it months ago. You can use the equity protection to protect yourself from the prop firm's drawdown rules. You can't have, this value doesn't reset daily yet, but apparently that's coming really soon. At the moment, I mainly use the EP module to close out my trades when I hit a profit target on my prop firm account. Just make sure to add an extra couple $100 on there to account for spreads and commissions and things like that. So if Traders Connect is already sounding pretty good, I haven't even got to the meat and potatoes yet. So it's actually the fastest trade copier in the market. The average execution time is 30 milliseconds, which is 3 times faster than the blink of an eye. And even with these speeds, the copier is ridiculously consistent. It's got 99.9% uptime. I think it's actually got 100% uptime in the last 3 months, so it hasn't been down once. Another benefit, which is a really underrated one, and I think this is actually what made people look for an alternative copier in the first place, they don't have tiered pricing, which means you pay on an account-by-account basis. It's $10 per account per month, or $100 per account per year, whereas on social trader tools, you have to pay for 20 accounts when you want to add 11. Doesn't really make sense. One of the most underrated elements of Traders Connect is their live chat. Their support agents are insane. You're usually talking to another trader or to one of the programmers on the platform, so you know that they're really knowledgeable, and they're so helpful, and they're really quick to respond. Like, it blows my mind sometimes. Recently, they added an automated mapping system, so as soon as you add your account to the copier, all your Forex symbols are mapped automatically. You still have to do indices, futures, CFDs manually, but I know they're working on a kind of machine learning system that will be able to map these for you automatically in the future as well. Social trader tools and Duplicium aren't doing this. I really enjoy their feature request section as well. It's quite fun scrolling through the community's ideas. Most of them are either planned or already implemented, and I've actually had a few of my ideas implemented recently as well. If you're still not convinced, you should check out Traders Connect yourself. I've got an affiliate link, and I'm going to put it down below in the description and in the comments, because it helps support the channel. I make these videos for free, you know, so I'd really appreciate if you do need a trade copier, use the link in the description. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. Comment with this emoji to show me that you made it to the end. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, because I respond to all my comments. Alternatively, I'm offering coaching calls if that's something that interests you. Thank you so much again for watching to the end of this video, and I'll see you next week.
Yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around.